Let's make carrot and ginger soup with coconut cream. This is part of a series of special Christmas recipes that can be made without an oven. You will find the menu as well as the recipe featured in this video down in the description box. Sauté the chopped onion in a large pan over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and cook for another minute, stirring constantly. Stir in the sliced carrots and pour in the vegetable stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Blend the soup until silky smooth using a hand blender. Add the coconut milk, the orange juice, this is optional, salt, pepper and a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. Simmer gently for another 2 to 3 minutes. Ladle the soup into bowls and swirl in a little extra coconut cream. Garnish with fresh coriander or parsley and a sprinkle of orange zest if desired. Enjoy!